push on. Work him, George, work him. That first bite today.
Get him, GG. Why is that shit going on? Get him, GG.
Show who's boss, George. Fuck, you need a keyboard right now, don't you?
Got this, GG.
I saw a fish down there, like, in between the dredge and the...
Hole in the hole. Put the hole in the hole.
There you go.
There you go, Georgie.
You got it, GG.
Just like last night.
Show that fish who's boss, GG.
Good job on the giving time. Remember the rigger, you gotta change the rigger out and then pull the funky down every time.
Oh, yeah.
See him jumping out there. Way the fuck out there, too, boy.
Oh, yeah.
You got another one on?
Right there in the holder. Yeah, put it right. Use the hands right here on the holder.
George, you putting in the work, aren't you? Hey, that means we're going to feed you today. All right, wind fast.
George. You got it, George. Don't worry about that boat. You reel that fucker in.
All right, we're going to close the distance on him, George. Backing him up a little bit. There you go. Let's go get him. Let's go get him, George.
I have my belt. Get him, GG.
Let's go get him. Huh? Oh, your belt. Here, hold that.
Belt came off. Is this thing still recording, Glen?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Get that fucker. Ain't no escaping, George. They can't hide. They can run, but they can't hide. There you go, George. That's how you do it. Oh boy, look at that. Woo! Yeah, baby.
Is that a sail or a marlin?
Sail. Sail.
Low up. That's good though.
Yep, perfect.
Another one down there swimming with the shark.
It's like you got my baby.
It's low up. Pull up, reel down. Yeah. Low up. Reel down fast.
Realize you're going down. There you go. There you go.
Slow.
George, you ain't got to go to the gym. Look at you. Work that thing out, George. Uh-huh. That's right.
George got it going on. Look at it.
Slow up, buddy. Slow gain.
Yep.
When you go pull, just take a line.
There you go, George. There you go. Ah, there we go. We're on the lead.
Wait till we get this picture, George. It's gonna be famous.
Famous George. Famous George, there we go. Look at that. Woo.
Oh, he's on?
Yeah, he buzzed it.
Hey, really?
Yeah.
Damn, George, good. Y'all got it on camera, right?
Yeah.
He's big.
Oh, good work. Good work.
Next.